get you the breaking news coming in regarding the transparency in the election process. The poll body Election Commission of India has reiterated transparency and its importance in the election process. On the 3rd of December, the Congress concerns to be heard in person is what we're getting to know right now. The ECI has assured a written reply to the Congress after that hearing. The candidate involvement ensured at every stage. ECI is assured of a review of Congress's legitimate concerns. Remember, on the 29th of November, the Congress had highlighted EVM concerns as well. Let me go across to my colleague Isha for more on this. Isha, what more details do you have? The ECI now assuring the Congress party that their concerns will be looked into.
Right, Shreya. So the Congress party has now, the Election Commission has now written back to the Congress party stating that their concerns will be looked into in a democratic fashion and their issues will be heard. In fact, the Congress party has been called to the Election Commission for a face-to-face hearing on the 3rd of December. In fact, the Election Commission has also stated that the alleged fallacies that the Congress is reporting from Maharashtra and Haryana will be looked into, and the Congress will be assured that no malpractices have taken place in both the elections. But again, Shreya, the back and forth about the EVM continues as the elections take place. The Congress, Mallikarjun Kharge yesterday also did state that the EVMs have been a problem and they should go back to the ballot paper. As to which the BJP is also hitting back at them, stating that the Congress uses the EVM in a very convenient fashion. Whenever the Congress wins, like Jharkhand election was won by the Congress, in Lok Sabha 99 seats in total was gotten by the Congress, and then there is nothing wrong with the EVM. But the moment the Congress loses, they don't take accountability. They don't think they have done anything wrong. They just end up blaming the Election Commission and the EVMs for their losses. In fact, Mallikarjun Kharge also yesterday stated that there is also something that the Congress is lacking, which is that they don't take accountability, and national and the local leaders use the national faces to even attempt to win elections. So Mallikarjun Kharge has definitely raked up the Congress, has definitely told the local leaders to further work harder and stop using Rahul Gandhi's name to win basic elections. But again, the Election Commission has now called them on the 3rd of December, and we await a Congress party reaction on this.
All right, Isha, thanks very much for joining us at the moment and getting us all those details.